up high.
Welcome to our Christmas home decor episode 4. In today's video, I will be doing a centerpiece DIY using these Dollar Tree bowls. And of course, I will tour my living room winter wonderland. If you like videos like this, please stay tuned and keep on watching.
Loud and clear.
In our previous video, which was episode 3 of our Christmas Decorate With Me, I showed you guys how I decorate my mantle for Christmas, and it was a winter wonderland theme pretty much. And so if you're interested in that video, I'm gonna link it down below. Please do well to check it out right after watching this video. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dede, the mom, the boss. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing amazing, because I am doing great. Before jumping into the video, this video is a collaboration with my two beautiful big sisters here on YouTube. The first being Leah from A Touch of Glam and Nora from Nora G's Nook. Starting with Leah, my G. This is Leah from A Touch of Glam. Look at her beautiful winter wonderland. If you love glam decor, I've collaborated with her before. She is a super glam queen. And if you would like to check her out, do well to check her out, because I'm going to leave her link down in the description box below. And now over to Nora, my G of G's. Nora is an extremely amazing and talented DIY queen. I call her the queen of DIY because she does high-end DIY from nothing. She uses Dollar Tree items, thrifted items, cheap items to create high-end looks like this. If you would like to see more about Nora and what she's creating for this video, I'm going to link her down below. These are my amazing sisters. They have such great personalities and I love to collaborate with them. Do well to check them out right after watching this video. Back to our DIY, I will use this Rust-Oleum spray paint, the white one, to spray the big bowl, and the champagne spray paint to create a marble effect on the white transparent bowl, which are the little bowls. Pretty much I'll use just one of the bowl, and I'm creating that marble effect with the champagne gold and white just to create a great marble effect for my DIY.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put on.
Just so you know, I'm not a DIY expert, but because I have these two amazing ladies in my life, I'm going to attempt what I've never tried before. Yes, I get inspiration from them. They inspire me a lot. Then I'm going to use this wet foam, as it is called. Right now it's dry, and per the instructions, you have to soak it in a bowl of water without pushing hard. It has to sink by itself until it's fully soaked. So that is what I'm doing right now. I think I got this from Hobby Lobby a while back, or Walmart. I do not remember.
This moment to have you for myself.
After waiting a while, I noticed it wasn't really soaking anymore, and so I noticed that it was because the bowl was small. So I'm going to transfer it into this bigger bowl. It couldn't go down because it was the bowl size was preventing it from soaking in. Now you can actually see it sinking. So I wanted to add the water, so the water is a lot, so it can help it even sink better. Guys, I'm speaking like an expert in DIY. Please, if you're enjoying this video, let me know down below. Leave a comment, tell me something nice. I would love to see it.
Tomorrow.
So after spray painting the blue bowl, this is what it looks like. And I'm going to insert the wet foam into the bowl to create the base to receive our florals. How about that? Guys, please give me a thumbs up because I'm killing it.
everything till we're perfect for this week.
So right now, I'll just use a couple of florals that I have sitting around the house for Christmas and create a beautiful floral arrangement for my coffee table. This is pretty much a centerpiece that you can use anywhere. So if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you. If you're from Nora, if you're from Leah's channel, thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you're here to stay. I hope you're enjoying it so far. If you are, let me know down below in the comments section and let me know if you're joining this family. And on this channel, I do a lot of home decor, modern, glam, contemporary decor, and I love decorating. It's a passion. So if you like videos like this, don't forget to like, share to inspire someone, and of course hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel so you would always be notified every single time I upload videos like this. Thank you all so much for watching up to here. I really do appreciate it. Please keep on watching as we get ready to tour the space.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday.
So this is what the base or the little marble effect bowl looks like. I spray painted the inside white and the outer part of the bowl I created the marble effect, and I'm just going to glue it to the big flower bowl we just created right now.
What glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way.
So I decided to add this champagne gold berries that were just laying around the house. I had 2 of them, and of course I just wanted to create dimension to this floral arrangement centerpiece for my coffee table. Now I want you guys to see what it looks like on my coffee table because I am loving it, guys. Oh my god, I did that. Please rate me because I'm excited. I am super excited. I can't even believe that I put this up. Look, look, look. You don't have to go buy expensive floral arrangements. You can just do yours at home, guys. Oh, I'm enjoying it. Please rate me and tell me what you think about my floral arrangement.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand, take me away.
So if you watched the video up to this point, I just want to really appreciate you and say thank you so very much. Words cannot express how grateful I am. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do well to hit the subscribe button, share this video to inspire someone, and of course hit the notification bell so you would always be the first to know every single time I upload videos like this. Also, a quick reminder to please check out Nora and Leah's channels. They are creating amazing DIYs as well. I cannot wait to go over there and watch their videos. Please let them know I sent you. Tell them something nice. I would love to see it. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your support. Their links are going to be down in the description box below. Please let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy the last few minutes of the tour.
this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles